You won't believe this amazing CNC router machine that absolutely a beast. This machine, 2 trees metal laser engraving machine TTS-55 4505 nm blue light 15W 40W CNC router wood leather cutting engraving support Wi-Fi you can buy only for $144 US. Get 53% off right now with link in our video desks. Wide compatibility. Support mobile app control, Wi-Fi connection, USB connection, offline USB. The machine is compatible with various mature engraving software, such as LaserGribble, Lightburn, Benbox, Gerblantroller, Lightfire. Supports PWM mode engraving, supports Windows Mac system, and engraving file. TTS-55 uses the latest 5.5W laser beam shaping technology diode laser. It has an ultra-fine 0.08mm sharp laser focus, with super cutting penetration and precision. Can cut up to 8mm thick wood, 5mm acrylic, carved ceramics and stainless steel. Fast focus design. Combines a fixed focus lens and a knob to adjust the height. You just need to turn the knob to focus. Equipped with a fixed focus column, which makes it very easy to use. Easy assembly structure. Aluminum profile structure design. Double Y-axis motors make the machine work stably. Specifications. Model TTS-25 TTS-55. Machine weight 3 kg. Engraving range 303 ohm. Laser wavelength 445 nm. Engraving accuracy 0.1 engraving speed 10,000 mm min. Software support system Mac, Windows. Machine material aluminum profile plus plastic parts. Power supply 12 volts for a DC. Control board ELTS ESP32 motherboard 32-bit. Laser power 5W 5W 10W optional. Input power 15W 40W 80W optional. Software identification file format NC, BMP, JPG, N, GOAD, etc. Supporting software LaserGribble Windows System, Lightburn General, Power Type, European Standard America. Languages supported by the software Chinese, English, Italian, French and German. Working environment, temperature 5-40, humidity 2060. Engraving mode, USB online, TF card application program, web page control, carving materials, wood, plastic, paper, leather, sponge paper, alumina, etc. Get 53% off right now to get $144 prices. Buy this machine's 2 trees metal laser engraving machine. TTS-55 4505 nm blue light 15W 40W CNC router wood leather cutting engraving support Wi-Fi.